Now, if you're someone like me who loves gear and also loves taking a lot of stuff with you to make sure you get every single shot possible and getting the best quality, you're gonna have a lot of stuff that's placed everywhere and you're gonna have to keep track of it so you don't lose things, you don't have to replace things. So things like lens caps, mini tripod, batteries, you have to make sure you keep all these things so your devices don't get messed up. So let's say you're keeping your stuff away from you. Let's say it's across the sidewalk and you don't want to have it right next to you. Then where are you gonna put all your stuff? Are you gonna keep it on the ground? I don't think so. Are you gonna give it to someone else to carry? Probably not. So I'm just gonna stop stalling. This is a fishing vest. And why I'm saying bring a fishing vest is because first of all, it looks really cool. You look like you're serious and you really know what you're doing. That's one big advantage to having this. But obviously the biggest thing I'm gonna tell you is this amount of space you can have on this vest. And again, you can buy any fishing vest because they usually have a lot of pockets, but I got this one because it has certain features that I liked. This is one from a brand called Bass Stash, and I got this off AliExpress, so it was fairly affordable as well. But one thing I wanted was this over here. Now this is a cup holder. I don't have a cup with me right now, but let's just use this as an example. This can go right into here completely. Like you see, it's completely gone. But if I push it up, you can see it pop up right here. So it's pretty deep. Then we also have identical pockets on here, so one here and then one here. They hold a ton of stuff. And then we have inner pockets over here, the netting. That allows you to put things like this where it's in a plastic bag and you need to just keep it next to you. Something like medicine, you can have that in there with you. It's also adjustable, so you can adjust it to how big or small you are, but obviously try to get the size that you can. We have reflectors, so if you are in the dark and especially outside somewhere, people may not see you, this will allow you to be seen pretty easily. We also have netting on the side here, so it's pretty identical on both sides. The only thing is there's no cup holder on this side, so you only get on one side, but that's not a problem because you also get a bigger pocket on this side right over here. And I can store a lot of different things, so I can put my entire phone right into this big pocket, no problem. See, it's completely gone right there. Now, one cool thing is, I haven't used this as much, but it does come in handy when you need it, is on the back. Here, let me just show you. So on the back here, if you can see it, we have zip up here and a zip down here. These are small little pockets, and the pocket will be over here in the netting. So again, keep things that are relatively flat so you don't end up having a backache after. But you have this extra pockets right back here for anything, like maps, for example. Like if you want to keep a paper map, you know, who uses those? Then you can put it back here and you won't have to worry about it. Before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of his videos. The material's not cheap feeling either. It's like a plasticky, very ripstop material. It's very rugged, it's very nice. Just don't obviously try to go and puncture something with it. This should last you in most situations. So the last thing over here is we have a buckle. Now this buckle, this buckle over here, I'm gonna connect. Here, just look right here. This buckle I'm gonna connect, just look right here. So this obviously allows it to stay put and it's not gonna come out really easily. It's not gonna shift and move that much. But the coolest thing is, since this is a fishing vest, you have this. It has a whistle too. So if someone's trying to take your stuff or you just wanna get someone's attention, you got a whistle on there too. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. So I know it's a really random tool that a lot of people don't think about, but this is something that'll really change your game and really take a lot of stress off your mind. You don't have to worry about small little things that don't really matter. Anyway, I really hope you're enjoying the constant value out of this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, it'll pop up right up here. Just follow there. I'd love to interact with some of you. And I really hope you enjoyed the constant value out of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.